Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And in today's video we have this 2019 Subaru Impreza and we're going to do the taillight tint installation for this vehicle. So as you can see, this is how it looks before doing the installation on the taillights, and this is how it looks after the installation. So the tint has PPF properties, which means it will protect the lenses from yellowing over time, as well as protect it from any small scratches or any road debris that may hit the lens. Link for the product will be provided below. But with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. So the tools you need in order to install the tint kit will be Slip Solution, Tack Solution, a heat gun, squeegee, and a microfiber towel. And a step-by-step guide in order to create the two solutions will be in the description below. So before we start with the installation for the taillight, we need to make sure we prep the lens. So all we need to do is apply Slip Solution to the taillight, and with a clean microfiber towel, start removing any contaminants that the taillight may have. So we're going to start by installing the piece that covers this section of the lens first. So with this one, all we need to do is apply a little bit of Slip Solution to the lens and to the adhesive side of the film. And it's just more of just aligning it, and everything should just sit into place. Let's keep it aligned there, and it should be good. To secure it and tack it down, just lift the film and apply Tack Solution underneath the film. Make sure to keep it aligned, and then spray Tack Solution on top, and then with your squeegee, start securing the film. And make sure to remove all of the solution that's underneath the film. And then once we're done, we're going to apply heat just to seal the edges, and then we're moving on to the next piece that covers this side here. So for the piece that covers just this top section of the taillight, we're going to align it on the edge, just like that. Make sure there's no excess material on this end, so make sure it's aligned right on the edge. That way it doesn't peel off. So right on the edge, place the film as you go, and it should cover everything up to just this section here. And to help tack down the film, that way it doesn't lift, just apply a little bit of heat and use your finger to tack it down and seal the edges, and then we should be good. So now we're moving on to the piece that covers this section of the taillight. So with this one, just apply a little bit of Slip Solution on the lens and Slip Solution on the adhesive side of the film, and start by applying Tack Solution just on this edge. That way the film is able to start tacking down, and then we just align the rest as we go. So keep in mind, this one is only covering up to the body line of the taillight here. So you're going to feel it when you pass your finger through this section here. You're going to feel the body line. So it's just covering up to there. So make sure to align it on the edge. Body line here should be good. Now let's tack down this entire section here to secure it, and then we'll work our way around until we reach it here. So just apply Tack Solution, hold it in position, and use your squeegee to tack it down. Okay, all we need to do is just help it align on this section here. So you're going to lightly stretch it until you meet it here. So you can lift the film and stretch it just a little bit to the edge here. Hold it in position, apply Tack Solution, and with your squeegee start tightening it down. Okay, once this is secured, just finish it off on this side here. It's just a small stretch to reach it up to the edge, and then we tag it down like how we did it with the rest of the film. So just stretch it until you reach it to the edge, hold it in position, apply Tack Solution, and then tag it down. And just don't forget to seal the top section here. The film does cover this top section here, and that's pretty much it. And now just apply heat around the edges, that way we help it tack down and it doesn't lift over time. And then we'll move on to the next piece that covers this section here. Okay, so now we're moving on to this piece here. So with this one, same process as how we did it with the rest of them. Apply Slip Solution to the lens and Slip Solution to the adhesive side of the film. And I'm applying tack solution on the edge just to help it tack down more faster, and that we were able to stretch the film to this section. So align it right on the edge, make sure you're covering the clear section of the reflector so it's perfectly aligned there. Apply tack solution on top, hold it in position, and tack down the film with your squeegee. Make sure to remove all of the solution underneath the film. And all we need to do is just stretch the film just a little bit going upward. That way we cover the top section and also we cover the lower section. So stretch going upward. So apply a little bit of slip solution, place it back down, make sure this area is dry. That way we have better grip, and then just stretch the film towards the top. Hold it in position, apply tack solution onto the film. Make sure you're holding it, that way it doesn't move, and then tack it down to secure it. And to help it tack down on the top and on the bottom edge of this deep curve here, just apply tack solution, a little bit of heat, and use your microfiber towel like this, and just help it sit. So take your time when you're doing this step on this top and lower section, and then once this is secure, we can move on to the last piece for the side section of the tail light. So now we're moving on to this section of the tail light. So with this one, same steps. Apply slip solution to the lens and slip solution to the adhesive side of the film. Place the film onto the tail light, and we're going to start by aligning it on this section here. So make sure to keep it aligned right on the edge. Once you have it aligned, lift the film carefully and apply tack solution underneath the film. Make sure it stays aligned, and then apply tack solution on top. Hold it in position, and then with your squeegee, start tacking it down to secure it. One thing you can do just to help the adhesive activate faster is apply heat around this area and help it tack down little by little. That way when you stretch the film, it doesn't move. So just apply a little bit of heat, apply tack solution on top, and then just hold it in position and start tacking it down again. And this is just to help the adhesive on the film activate faster and it doesn't move when we're stretching the film to this end. So make sure everything stays aligned. The film overlaps with the other film that was installed here, and it also overlaps with the front piece as well. So remove all of the solution underneath the film. And now we're going to stretch the film until we reach to the edge here. That way we help remove the fingers, and then we're able to tack everything down. So make sure to apply slip solution in case the film does get dry, and then make sure this area is dry, that way we're able to place our hand and stretch the film to reach it to the edge. So once you've stretched the film and reached it to the edge, just lift the film carefully and apply tack solution underneath the film and on top. Make sure you still hold it, and with your squeegee, start tightening it down to secure it. And to remove these fingers here, we're going to stretch the film just a little bit towards the bottom. So just lift the film carefully. Since it hasn't been tacked down completely, apply a little bit of slip solution and then stretch the film going downward. And now the fingers that we had here are all gone. Hold it in position, spray tack solution, and then with your squeegee, tack everything down. Okay, and now to remove all of the fingers that you may see around the edge here, just apply tack solution, a little bit of heat, and just help them tack down with your squeegee and your microfiber towel. Make sure to seal all the edges, and then once it's sealed, we'll move on to the next section. Okay, so now we're moving on to this section of the lens. So we're covering this piece first. So just apply slip solution to the lens and slip solution to the adhesive side of the film. Align it right on the edge, like how we did with this one. And this one curves around up to this section here. So now that we have it aligned, lift the film carefully and apply tack solution underneath and on top of the film. Hold it in position, and with your squeegee, tack it down to secure it. Okay. And all we're doing is just doing a light stretch just so the film reaches this curved section of the tail light. So make sure this area is a little dry, that way you have grip. Hold it in position and tack it down. And then tack down here. If you have small fingers like these, you can just apply tack solution and a little bit of heat to help it tack down. But make sure before we move on to the next sections to remove all of the solution that's trapped underneath the film, and then apply heat around the edge, that way the film doesn't lift over time. So apply tack solution and then heat, and use your microfiber towel to seal the edges, and then we should be good. We'll move on to the next pieces. Okay, so now we're going to apply slip solution on the lens and slip solution to the adhesive side of the film, and same process, apply tack solution on the edge, align it right on the corner, and everything else should fall into place. We're just going to do a light stretch to reach the film to this section here. So once you have it aligned, grab your tack solution, tack it down on this corner. Make sure to remove all of the solution that's behind the film. Okay, once this is secured, make sure this area is dry, that way you have grip for stretching the film. And it's just a light stretch until you reach it to this corner here. So stretch it, hold it in position, lift the film carefully and apply tack solution on the edge, and then with your squeegee, secure it and tack it down. Once you've tacked down the film and you remove all the solution, apply heat to seal the top and lower section of the film, and then we'll move on to the last piece. So for the last piece, it's the same concept as how we did it for the two sections here. Align it, tack it down, and you're just stretching it just a little bit in order to reach to this end. So apply slip solution to the lens and slip solution to the adhesive side of the film. Place the film down and just make sure you align it to this section, and the film should cover up to the top layer here as well. So lift the film carefully, apply tack solution underneath the film. Make sure to keep it aligned. It should be good there, and it's aligned underneath here. So now we're securing this section first, and then we'll work away until we reach to this end. So apply tack solution and then use your squeegee to secure it and tack it down. And then just continue on till you reach it here. So just hold it in position and tack the whole film down. And we're going to apply tack solution and a little bit of heat to seal the top section of the film. So once you finish with the entire installation for the tail light, the last thing to do is to post-heat the entire lens. So just apply tack solution throughout the entire tail light. And we're going to use our heat gun to apply heat throughout the entire tint. We're going to help the adhesive on the film activate faster. And as we're applying heat, we're going to use our microfiber towel just to help it tack down around the edges, and also with the microfiber towel, we're also going to help remove any solution that's trapped around the edges. So take your time when you're doing this step, and then when you're done with this process, you're done with the installation. Thank you for choosing Bogar Tech Design. As a small business, your support means everything to us. If you loved your product, please drop a review. If you have questions or issues, don't forget to message us via email. Once again, thank you so much for the support from our family to yours. So that concludes the installation video for the Taillight tints for the 2019 Subaru Impreza. We hope that the video helped you guys out with the installation. Don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell. That way you don't miss any of our upcoming installation videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.